Hello fam, how are you all doing today? Welcome back to GUCHIES Kitchen. To my new subscriber, welcome to this platform and thank you very much for tuning in to watch my videos. To my consistent subscribers, I want to say I love you so much. GUCHIES team, thank you for always staying to watch us on this platform. I've come with a new, amazing, beautiful recipe. Today, guess what we are doing? I'm sure you've seen my hand already. So today we are doing JERK chicken seasoning. And I'm telling you, on my table, oh my, you're going to be amazed at what you're going to see on my table. Because I am an African woman and I want to make sure I put some African touch to this very recipe. I want to make it different and very hot and spicy. So come, let's get into the deal for the day. On my table, I have varieties. Just check out the stuffs I have on my table. I got a lot for this very recipe, yeah. Okay, I have yellow onion. I have red onion, yes. These are all I like to have in my food. I have some spring onion. I have parsley, fresh parsley. I have garlic. I have all types of Scotch bonnets. You can see the green, the orange, the yellow Scotch bonnets. I have some green pepper here. I have some green chili. Here is my ginger. Here is my lemon and lime. I have sage. I'm going to be adding some cilantro. I'm going to be adding some celery. Here's my ground nutmeg. Here is some of my ketchup. This is my soy sauce. Here is my pimento seed and some other, herbs. And here is my cloves. I have sugar here. And guys, I have the authentic thyme. Even though it's not fresh, but trust me, this is going to be amazing. And guess what? I have this hot and spicy. And I have this all the way from Nigeria. This is going to give it a sumptuous aroma and taste to anytime I make my chicken, whatever recipe I do with this JERK seasoning is going to come out amazing. This is my cinnamon, ground cinnamon. I'm going to be adding some rosemary. You all know I like to use rosemary, so I'm going to add some rosemary, okay? You just want to add whatever you wish to add. On this table, you will see the basics for your JERK chicken seasoning, but I have gone overboard. I have gone to add so many other things because these are the things I like to have in my food. And because I have these things at home, that is why I've decided to put all of this together, okay? If you don't have celery, if you don't have parsley, you can go ahead and use the basics for your, JERK chicken seasoning, okay? But I'm going to be leaving all these things on the description box, okay? I'll leave all of this on the description box so you can always go ahead and I didn't mention my oil. Here is my oil. I didn't mention my vinegar, white vinegar, okay? Guys, I'm going to go ahead and clean all of this behind the camera, okay? Because we can't do this today. It's going to take time. So I'll quickly do this behind the camera, okay? So these are all the stuffs, guys. I have gone ahead to clean everything. Yeah, it's a lot, okay? So here is my lemon and lime. I'm going to be using the zest. This is the liquid. This is my lemon and lime juice, okay? So I like to add this. I like lemon and lime. I'm not going to throw this away at all. This is going to help my recipe to come out so good. Yeah, when it comes to what I want to eat, and make sure it's really, really nice. So I'll just add this too. I want to start blending, so I'll just add this here. I'll show you the vegetables. These are the spring onion, guys. These are the spring onion, the parsley, and the sage, yeah, and the cilantro. Okay, I'm going to rinse it out from this bowl right now. Okay, guys, I will start by adding all these stuffs. Yep, I want a lot of it. You might be wondering, you know. Yeah, I want a lot. In this family, we love JERK chicken seasoning. Yeah. So you might be wondering. I'll be taking it gradually because, yeah. If I remember the name, I will put it in the description. So here is this one. I already broken it. This is the piece. I broke it into it. Yeah, you can use this to cook your soup, your pepper soup, your banga soup, which is your palm kernel cream soup, okay, and granite soup, whatsoever, pepper soup, white soup. Basically, we use this for such soup. Okay. So here is my. I'll be mixing it gradually. Here is my brown sugar, my cloves, menthol rather, my cloves. I'll just be mixing it gradually, guys. Nutmeg, some groundnut oil, vinegar, water, my lemon and lime, some of my ketchup, some of my soy sauce for coloring. I don't have browning, guys, so I don't have browning, so I'm just going to add a little bit of my rosemary. Yeah, I want to hear my rosemary there. So well, I think if I get browning, I'll just mix it behind the camera. Yeah, I just added some of this dried pepper. I'm going to add some of this. Yeah, so here I'll add some cinnamon, it smells so good. It smells so good here. Smells so good, honestly. So because it was too full, I didn't add salt. Now add some salt. My JERK chicken seasoning is coming out so good. It smells good. This is so good. All I need now is my browning. I don't have browning at home. I will change the color to this color. Yeah, that's all I need now, my browning. Once I get my browning, I'll turn it to this dark color. So friends, we are the last batch of this delicious goodness. I want it super hot. And my groundnut oil. Some of my cinnamon. Some of my rosemary. The last soy sauce. Little bits. Yeah, my JERK seasoning is ready. Please guys, give this a thumbs up. I'm going to get some browning, and then I'll add some browning, and then I'll show you the finishing of this very recipe. Okay guys, please make sure you share it to your friends, to your loved ones. Okay, Guchie's family, thank you so much for staying. That is it for our JERK seasoning. Be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart.